हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं रेप्लिकेशन। सीक्वल सर्वर प्रोवाइड करता है, जैसे आपने लॉग शिपिंग, मिररिंग, क्लस्टरिंग एंड अलोजन के बारे में सुना होगा। सो उसमें सारे के सारे डेटाबेस लेवल और सर्वर लेवल है। बेसिकली डेटाबेस लेवल आप कह सकते हैं एंड क्लस्टरिंग जो है सर्वर लेवल पे है। लेकिन रेप्लिकेशन थोड़ा डिफरेंट है इन लोगों से, ठीक है। थोड़ा डिफरेंट है और थोड़ा आर्किटेक्चर भी इसका डिफरेंट है और इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस भी बहुत टफ होते हैं इसके। हम इस सेशन में ये लेके आए कि पूरा स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम रेप्लिकेशन देखेंगे और उसके इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस भी देखेंगे, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, क्या रिक्वायरमेंट आती है लाइव इन्वायरमेंट में क्लाइंट साइड से। तो उस सारी चीज़ों को हम प्रैक्टिकल देखेंगे यहाँ पे। हमारे साथ बने रहिए। अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, दोस्तों को बताइए, कमेंट कीजिए, अपनी एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए, कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो वो पुट कीजिए, हम उसका आंसर देंगे। ओके। हम आगे बढ़ने से पहले थोड़ा सा हम इस पे सीक्वल सर्वर के फीचर पे फोकस करेंगे, प्रकाश डालेंगे कि सीक्वल सर्वर जो की फीचर्स है थोड़ा उस पर डिस्कस कर ले। की फीचर ऑफ SQL Server. Scalable. Scalable, it is easy to scale and support large amount of data. SQL Server provides support on uh, capacity to manage or large data amount of data. Okay, performance. It is performance exceptionally well and both Windows and क्या कह सकते लिनक्स। इसमें क्या कोई भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आपका बेसिकली पहले लिनक्स पे नहीं था, लेकिन 17 के बाद आपको लिनक्स पे भी आ गया है। तो लिनक्स में लॉग शिपिंग अभी मिलती है आपको एंड रेप्लिकेशन में मिलेगी। मतलब अभी धीरे धीरे वो इम्प्रूव करे, फीचर्स डाल रहे हैं। पहले बग्स थे कुछ, लेकिन उस पर वो लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं। तो परफॉर्मेंस वाइज भी इसका क्या है, दोनों सर्वर पे आपका, दोनों ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ओएस पे आपको बेटर परफॉर्मेंस मिलने वाली है। ओके। सिक्योरिटीज़ वाइज आपका क्या है कि भाई डेटा सिक्योर है, एबिलिटी या इंक्रिप्शन आपको मिल सकता है, ठीक है। डेटा रिकवरी, क्रैश फेल्योर भी आपको SQL सर्वर प्रोवाइड कराता है। आपको इम्प्लीमेंट उस तरह से करना पड़ेगा कि भाई डेटा रिकवरी कैसे करनी है या फिर उसकी डिजास्टर रिकवरी की प्लानिंग कैसे करनी है। ये SQL सर्वर प्रोवाइड करता है। एनालिटिक्स सपोर्ट मीन्स डेट इज़ मशीन लर्निंग एंड ऑल। ओके। इसके अंदर फीचर्स है सिक्वल में, आर और पाइथन आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं उसके लिए लैंग्वेज। इंटीग्रेशन आपका है अलग अलग rdbms से, नो सीक्वल से, ठीक है। हडूप बिग डेटा से आप इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं, TSQL से आप कर सकते हैं, लिंक सर्वर बना सकते हैं, या फिर आप DTS पैकेज लिख करके आप कर सकते हैं। मतलब इंटीग्रेशन आप कहीं से भी डेटा ला करके मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हैं आप। मतलब अलग अलग rdbms हो या जो भी आपके पास मार्केट में है, और क्लाइंट चाहता है कि भैया नहीं, मेरे को सारे डेटाबेस जो मेरे पास है उनका इंटीग्रेशन हमें चाहिए, तो आप कर सकते हो सिक्वल में, जो SSIS के अंदर हम करते हैं। थ्रेडिंग क्या है, थ्रेडिंग मतलब मल्टी थ्रेडिंग एंड पैरेलल एग्जीक्यूशन SQL सर्वर प्रोवाइड करता है। ओके। mdop आप सेटिंग करो और पैरेलल क्वेरीज आप चलाओ, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ये आपका जो था की फीचर ऑफ SQL सर्वर, जो SQL सर्वर हमें प्रोवाइड करती है, उसी का एक आपका जो फीचर है, एक डिजास्टर रिकवरी, और बोल सकते हैं कि डेटा रेप्लिकेशन का। दैट इज़ रेप्लिकेशन, वी कैन से डैट। रेप्लिकेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज़ रेप्लिकेशन, इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है। अगर फ्रेशर आप हो तब से पूछेगा व्हाट इज़ रेप्लिकेशन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाई रेप्लिकेशन। ओके। इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन भी ऐसे ही आती है। यू कैन से डैट रेप्लिकेशन डेटा सिंक्रोनाइजेशन प्रोसेस दैट इन्वॉल्व्स क्रिएटिंग, मेंटेनिंग मल्टीपल कॉपी ऑफ डेटा अक्रॉस डिवाइसेज एंड सिस्टम्स। मीन्स आप जो है ना रेप्लिकेशन को ना मल्टीपल सिस्टम्स पे, मल्टीपल डेटा सेंटर्स में कॉपी सेंड कर सकते हो, ठीक है। जैसे आपको मान लो कोई आर्टिकल है, आर्टिकल को मल्टीपल जब को राइट करना है, आप बिंदास के साथ कर सकते हो। आप सब्सक्रिप्शन बनाइए और ऐड कर दीजिए उसके अंदर। ओके। इट एंश्योर द डेटा रिमेन कंसिस्ट एंड अप टू डेट अक्रॉस मल्टीपल ऑल रेप्लिका कॉपी, अलाउिंग फॉर इम्प्रूविंग डेटाबिलिटी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड डिजास्टर रिकवरी। ये आपको इंश्योर करता है कि आपका डेटा जो होगा, जितने भी सब्सक्रिप्शन है, सब्सक्राइबर है, वहाँ पे डेटा राइट होगी, एक एक कॉपी रहेगी उसकी, और ये डेटा एबिलिटीज़ की गारंटीज़ है। ओके। और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी ईजिली ये कर देता है, ठीक है। एट द हाई लेवल इट इन्वॉल्व्स द पब्लिशर्स एंड सब्सक्राइबर, where publisher is a primary and subscriber is a target server. So means there are two we can say that two keywords, or we can say that two objects that is known as publisher and subscriber. Publisher known as primary and subscriber known as target server, means source and destination of, we can say that पब्लिशर टू सब्सक्राइबर आप कर सकते हैं, प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी या नहीं कर सकते, प्राइमरी टू रेप्लिका सर्वर कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो थोड़ा मैकेनिज्म में और कीवर्ड्स में भी डिफरेंसेस है रेप्लिकेशन में आप, ठीक है। जैसे आप लॉग शिपिंग में क्या स्टैंड बाई सर्वर आप बोल सकते थे या डीआर सर्वर बोल सकते थे, लेकिन रेप्लिकेशन में आप क्या बोलते हैं आप, सब्सक्राइबर और टारगेट सर्वर, रेप्लिका सर्वर आप बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है। Now next it main purpose to copy and distribute data from one data to another, means you are distributing some data from publisher to subscribers, multiple subscribers. Okay, multiple distribution you can create that one. So there SQL Server provide couple of replication types, like there are four replication type, like a snapshot, transactional, merge and peer to peer. Okay, सो दीज आर फोर, ये चार ही रेप्लिकेशन है, लेकिन चारों के अलग अलग फीचर्स है, प्रॉन्स एंड कॉन्स है, उसके रिक्वायरमेंट है। ओके, एंड उसमें क्या है कि आपका जो जितने भी आपका रेप्लिकेशन टाइप है उस तरह के एजेंट्स भी हैं उसके अंदर, मीन्स आपको इसके लिए एजेंट्स वर्क करते हैं, जैसे लॉग रीडर एजेंट हुआ, स्नैपशॉट एजेंट हुआ, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर एजेंट हुआ, मर्ज एजेंट हुआ और क्यू रीडर एजेंट्स हुआ। तो ये एजेंट जो होते काम करते हैं एज पर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। ओके, सो कभी कभी इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस में भी आते हैं कि व्हाट आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन एजेंट्स, सो यू हैव टू आंसर दैट। दे आर 5 रेप्लिकेशन एजेंट्स: लॉग रीडर, स्नैपशॉट, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, मर्ज एंड क्यू रीडर। हम आगे इसके डिटेल इसके बारे में जानेंगे कि भाई ऐसा जो है क्यों यूज होता है, कहाँ कहाँ यूज होता है, क्या वर्क है इसका और क्यों ये इसका या बिहेवियर्स क्या है। सो थोड़ा सा हम प्रकाश डालेंगे या फोकस करेंगे इस पर कि की फीचर्स फॉर रेप्लिकेशन। सो रेप्लिकेशन के जो फीचर्स होते हैं उसको हम थोड़ा फोकस करेंगे यहाँ पे। स्केलेबिलिटी है इसके अंदर। सो स्लैब सर्वर्स अलाउ डेटा रीड, यू कैन रीड डेटा फ्रॉम द स्लैब और वी कैन से रेप्लिका सर्वर्स। ओके, reducing the load of the primary server or master server, we can say that, or source servers. Backup assistance, so this involve replicating data to the slab, and that can use as a backup data, and the backup can act as a standalone server or stable state. ओके, सो जो डेटा आपका है वो स्टेबल स्टेट में रहता है, स्टैंडअलोन सर्वर की तरह बिहेव कर सकता है। सो ये आपका जो है बैकअप असिस्टेंस है। एंड नाउ डेटा एनालिसिस, सो you can analyze data from secondary as well, okay, without impacting the performance, without impacting the without hitting the primary database objects. Okay, distribution of data means it is distributing data from uh, all the subscription via network. Okay, so replication, with replication in a place, we can use you can work locally to data without connecting to the master servers. Yes, you can work without connecting to the master servers. You can work on secondary servers, and then it will get merged if both server in a network. Okay, so here is a snapshot of that replication. Like we have a primary server known as publisher, article and publication, that is distributing that is publishing the data, that like table, view, procedure and functions, that is the article known as article. Replication agents, agents means that is working for that is transporting some, doing some jobs for replicating data, like a snapshot, distribution agent, log reader, queue reader and merge agent. Okay, then we have a replica that is known as subscriber server. Subscriber server as subscriber server, and that the data replicate, the article replicate to the subscriber. So you can connect from primary and secondary both, means you can connect from publisher and subscriber to read the data, the primary data. Okay, so this is a key feature that replication provides us. Okay, now how replication, next question, the interview questions, we can say that how replication वर्क्स, रेप्लिकेशन वर्क कैसे करता है। तो आपका सोर्स और टारगेट डेटाबेस हो जाता है, डेटा कैप्चर करता है, डेटा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर सकता है, डेटा ट्रांसमिशन कर सकता है, डेटा एप्लीकेशन। सो ये सारे की कंपोनेंट्स हैं एंड स्टेप्स हैं आपके जो रेप्लिकेशन वर्क करता है। ओके, सो टारगेट एंड सोर्स मीन्स इट इन्वॉल्व द सोर्स सिस्टम एंड which holds the original data. Yes, the source database or the primary database server have the original data, just we are replicating some data to the target server. Okay, or we can say replica server. So this is known as source and target. Data capture means data change made on the source server, including insert of the delete, that is transferred to as a log, transactional log mechanism to the replica server. Data transmissions means that capturing the data change data transformation into a format of suitable replication and transmission involve the data formatting, compression, and applying rules of the filter. So how we are data transformation doing, that is will compact or compress the data using that is using the good way, or we can say that the proper format of the data, and using the rules which we implemented on that configuration of replication. Okay, data transmissions means that is using that data change from source to destination using network. Okay, and data application, that is upon receiving the replicated data change, target source apply their respective copies of data. Okay, so whatever change made on the primary server, or we can say the source or servers, that is change made on the uh, uh, we can say the target servers or subscriber server. So as discussed in previous slides, that is replication. Now we are replication type. So now we are going to discuss about the different type of replication in detail, like the four replication type, that is snapshot, transactional, merge, and peer to peer. Okay, what are the features they have, what they are providing? We can say that what are how can we define a snapshot, transaction, merge, and peer to peer replication, we can say that. So here we can say that uh, a snapshot first, yeah, that is the first snapshot. It is involved creating periodically a snapshot of the entire source data set, distributing them to the target system. It provides point in time copy of data and suitable scenario where near real time says data sync are not required, means it is providing the data when we are executing our steps, till time we can get a data uh, in replication. After completing this task, we are not getting fresh data, it is not getting sync periodically. Okay, means this is one time activity, this is totally a snapshot. Okay, next, the second replication type is transactional replication. As named, transactional means whatever the transaction we have performed on the primary server, means the source server or that publisher's date server, that is replicated or transmitted or from source to destination, like insert, update, delete. So it will capture or replicate individual data transactions such as insert, update, delete from source to destination. It ensures that the target system receive or apply exact same data modify as they can on the source system, maintaining data consistency and concurrency. So this is known as transactional replication. Whatever the transaction we have made on the publisher server will exactly write same data on the replica server, or we can say that source that target system. Okay, whatever we have configured multiple, then multiple target system has written same data as on primary server, or we can say that source server. Merge replication, so as named, merge means you can modify from both side, merge the data. Okay, means it will allow multiple system independently modify the data. Okay, means merge replication facilitate us to work on multiple system independently or modify data and later reconcile the changes, means after network or after few seconds, few minutes, or as per retention period, it will reconcile all the changes on both side, primary or we can say source and destination, or we can call publisher and subscriber. It is useful in scenarios where multiple sources need to be merged their changes into a central system, such as branch offices replicated data through the central databases. Means you can take a scenario that we have a centralized database server and we have a branches for all the banks, so it will merge the data transaction per day after the off hour, or we can say that every 10 to 15 minutes as per retention period, and that is used. Okay, That is the best scenario, or we can say that live example. Peer to peer application. So it is peer to peer, means it is work as means multiple subscription. Okay, so it is used for replicating data into multiple subscriber at a same time. Okay, so this sql server replication type use the database server distribution across the globe, means you can use that as a ring topologies. We can say that the ring topologies we can connect it all the databases, all the replication or publisher and subscriber connected to as a ring topologies. Okay, using ring topologies, changing the changes can be made on any database servers. Change are propagated at all database systems servers. Peer-to-peer application can help scale an application use databases. The main working principle is based on the transactional replication. So it is based on the transactional replication. Peer-to-peer means you can use it work as a yeah, means you can working principle, जो बिहेवियर है, जो वर्किंग सिनेरियो है और जो एक्टिविटीज़ है वो ट्रांसफर एप्लीकेशन की तरह ही है. नाउ we have discussed here the type of replication. Hope you understand all these things. Okay, and going forward with that the advantage of replication. So every features, every we can say that facilities provided by the rdbms has some advantages or disadvantages. So going forward we can see that what are the advantages of replication. So implementing replication offers several advantages, including improved data availabilities, enhancing scalability and performance, data distribution and localization, disaster recovery and business continuity. So ये जितने भी फीचर्स है ये हमें एडवांटेजेस जो है रेप्लिकेशन हमें प्रोवाइड करती है कि भाई डेटा एबिलिटीज़ की इंप्रूवमेंट आपकी होगी. डेटा मल्टीपल सिस्टम अपने नेटवर्क में आप रखो, लो डेटा सॉरी लो डेटा लॉस है और आपको हमेशा कनेक्टिविटी मिलती रहेगी. और लो वी कैन से डैट परफॉर्मेंस, कम परफॉर्मेंस मतलब डिग्रेड परफॉर्मेंस डिग्रेड नहीं होता क्योंकि आप सेकेंडरी से रीड करो, ज़्यादा प्राइमरी को हीट आप नहीं मार रहे हो तो बेनिफिट ज़्यादा है क्योंकि आप रीड ऑपरेशन वहाँ लेते हो, राइट इधर सोर्स पे करते हो. ओके नाउ सो ये जो विंडो है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि अगर ये अपने कीवर्ड सब समझ लिए तो आप ये समझ लो कि आप रेप्लिकेशन को समझ जाएंगे. ये सारे कीवर्ड्स रेप्लिकेशन में बार बार यूज होते हैं, इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस में भी पूछे जाते हैं कि व्हाट आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ replication agent, what do you mean by article in replication, sql server, what is distributor, what is distribution databases, what is subscription databases, what is subscription. So here is the key component, or we can say that the key yeah components of that replication. Okay, that is used frequently. लाइक दैट वी कैन से दैट पब्लिशर क्या होता है, पब्लिकेशन डेटाबेस क्या होता है, पब्लिकेशन क्या होता है, आर्टिकल क्या है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर क्या है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डेटाबेसेस क्या होती है, सब्सक्राइबर क्या होता है, सब्सक्रिप्शन डेटाबेसेस क्या होता है, सब्सक्रिप्शन क्या होता है, एंड रेप्लिकेशन एजेंट्स क्या होते हैं, कौन कौन से होते हैं. सो उनका वर्क क्या होता है, कौन कौन से रेप्लिकेशन में कौन कौन से एजेंट वर्क करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे स्नैपशॉट है, लॉग रीडर है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, मर्ज एंड क्यू रीडर है. थोड़ा सा हम इसे फोकस डालेंगे जी. आप देख सकते हैं कि पब्लिशर है, पब्लिकेशन डेटाबेसेस है, यहाँ आर्टिकल में आपको क्या क्या होता है, जैसे आपका टेबल फंक्शन एंड व्यू हो जाता है, दिस इज नोन एज पब्लिकेशन. डेटा फ्लो होती कहाँ जाती है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के पास जाती है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डेटाबेस दे सकता है, वो पुश करता है आपको. अगर जैसे आपने कॉन्फ़िगर किया है तो पुश करेगा सब्सक्राइबर को, क्या करेगा भाई, जो इतने भी आर्टिकल यहाँ से उठाए इसको दे देगा. उसमें कौन कौन से वर्क करेंगे, तो आपका लॉग रीडर है, स्नैपशॉट है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, मर्ज है और क्यू रीडर. ये इट इज़ डिपेंड ऑन कि आपने कौन सा रेप्लिकेशन कॉन्फ़िगर किया है. सो आपके रेप्लिकेशन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पे ही डिपेंड करता है कि कौन सा एजेंट वर्क करता है. ओके, सो दीज आर द की कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द रेप्लिकेशन. ओके, SQL सर्वर रेप्लिकेशन. Once again I can repeat it, that is publisher, publication databases, publication, article, distributor, distribution databases, subscriber, subscription database, subscription, replication agent. Agents are snapshot agent, log reader agent, distribution agent, merge agent, and queue reader agent. So these are 5 replication agents. So one by one we are going to see the definition. What is publisher? What is publication databases? Okay. So next slide. So terminologies or key components that is used in replication. So first is article. So what do you mean by article in replication? So article is a fundamental unit of SQL Server which contains views, table, procedure, function, etc. Okay. It lets you create various articles on an individual objects and scale them other vertical or horizontal using filter opinion. So we can use also filter on articles. Okay. Next is what is publication. So publication is, it is a collection of article, okay, that taken from a databases. So whatever we are moving or whatever we are replicating from publisher databases, that article known as publication in simple way. It allow you to define and configure properties at the significant level, allowing all article to inherit them with the with easy. Okay, what is publisher database? It is a database that contains the list of objects designed as replication article. The publisher may have one or more publication. Each publisher create many internal replication procedure that define a data propagation and mechanism. What is publisher? It is a database instance that is responsible for making data available to other locations through replication. It may be a store one or more publication with each publication defines set of logical related to object. Yes, you can configure multiple publisher. Okay, publication. What is distributor? So distributor is named, it is distributing the data from primary to secondary. So it is a database that act as a storehouse of replication as a specific data associated with one or more publisher. It in many cases the distributor is a single database that act as a both publisher and distributor. Okay, going forward for the rest of that key components of replication. So next is distribution database. Each distributor databases should have at least each distributor should have at least one distribution database. The distribution database store article details, data, and replicated metadata, means schema and all. It may hold one or more distribution database. However, all publishers from one publication from all publication from one publisher must use one distribution databases. This is mandatory. At least one publisher required and one distribution. Subscriber, it is a database instance that utilizes replication data from a publication. The subscriber can receive data from one or more publication and publisher. What is subscription? It is a request of copy of publication sent to the subscriber that the subscription define how, when, and where publication data is received. So no subscription of that Netflix, Amazon Prime, and whatever the mobile application had all the media, that is G5 and all. So subscription, that there are two type of subscription like push and pull subscription. So push means distributor directly update data to the subscriber, and pull subscription, that subscription so the subscriber is schedule a check of the distributor regularly in change available, then update the data subscriber to the subscription database, means it will ask distributor, if any change please send to me. Subscription database, this is a target database of a replication model. Okay, this is nothing, that is just a replica DB, or we can say that replicated data inside that databases. Now very important question here, and very important topic here, and a true question, that is replication agents. So what are replication agent? How can we define that? So in SQL Server application use predefined and standalone program even known as agent. So the program which is work as a standalone for each and every replication is known as agent. It is associated with data. Okay. By default, SQL application run a scheduled job under the SQL Server agent. Yes, every agent job run under SQL Server agent account agent job. Okay. So replication agent can be run from the command line by using that application name is replication management objects RMO. SQL Server application agent can be monitored, administered using replication monitor and SQL Server Management Studio. So we can also monitor that replication agents, how it's working, what is the behavior, if any error or not. So we can monitor or manage replication agents from SQL Server Management Studio or replication monitor too. SQL Server agent, hosted and scheduled agent use a replication and provide easy way to run application agents. SQL Server agent also control and monitor operations outside the replication. Yeah, the simple way. What is, so now we know I discussed in previous slide that is SQL Server agent. So now we are discussing one by one SQL Server replication agents, that is a snapshot agent. So what is a snapshot agent, what is the task, how it is performed? So it is a typically used for all the type of replication, means a snapshot agent involved in all type of replication. It prepare a schema and initial data file and publish table and other objects, store a snapshot file and records information about synchronization of the distribution database. This is a snapshot agent as a distributor. So on the distributor agent. Okay. Now the next, the log reader agent. So what is log reader agent? It is a use with transitional replication to move transitional marked for replication from the transitional log on the publisher to the distributor databases. Means it is notified that this is a change data from the publisher to distribution databases. Each databases published using transitional log has its own log reader agent that runs on the distributor and connected to the publisher database server. What is distribution agent? So it is used to a snapshot replication and transition replication. It is apply the initial snapshot to the subscriber and move transition held in that distribution databases to subscriber. The distribution agent must run either the distributor or push subscriber at the pool subscriber. So it is work on that distributor like pull on push. What is merge? So merge agent, it is used to merge replication. It apply initial snapshot, subscriber move and reconcile incremental data change that occurs on both sides. Okay, both the servers, means subscriber and publisher. Each merge subscriber and subscribers and update both. Sorry, each merge subscriber has own merge agent and connect to the both publishers. Means the agents of merge agent is connected with subscriber. Every subscriber has their own merge agent that will connected to the both publisher and subscriber to update. Okay, both side update. Okay, the merge agent run at their distributor for push subscriber and push subscription. By default, the merge agent update changes from the subscriber to publisher and download from that publisher to save. Means from publisher to subscriber download, a subscriber to publisher it is upload. This is done by merge agent. Queue reader agent, it is used with transition application with that queue updating option. The agent run distributor to and move changes made at the subscriber back to the publisher. Unlikely distribution agent and merge agent, only one instance of that queue reader agent exists on all services, exist to the services all publisher and subscriber given to the databases. So these are five replication agents. Now I think you are aware about that all, and you can not forget to explain in any interview. Okay, so these are five replication agents. Okay, now what are the jobs in replication? So agent history cleanup, distribution cleanup, expire subscription, reinitialization subscription, replication agent, and replication monitoring refresh distribution, and it along with that duration and all. So we know about the key features and agents and type of replication. Now what are the basic requirements to implement replication? So it is also a interview question. What are the basic requirement for SQL Server replication? So following ports required, that is 1433, it is user we can say default port 2383, 2832, 358044, sorry, and do not forget to enable or disable firewall. This depend on that your traffic and on SQL Server. .NET framework should be required. Database SQL Server Management Studio GUI features required. Sorry. Now we can see that one by one replication, that is a snapshot, merge, transactional, and peer to peer. So here we can discuss about that a snapshot replication. So replication technology, copy and synchronizing data uh, between continuous replication schedule interval. So these are the definition of replication just here. And replication can be configured one to one way or one to many, and bidirectional and many to one directional. So this is recommendation, not recommendation, but we can say that we can configure like a way, one way, that is means transition replication, one to many you can configure as transition replication too, and bidirectional means merge, you can use that, many to one, that is also a transition replication, or a peer to peer or merge, we can also say data. So now we are picking here the snapshot agent, sorry, as replications. What is the overview of replication? A snapshot replication is, it is used to replicate data precisely as it appear at the moment of when data snapshot was created. Means when you initialize the creating of a snapshot, the data persists that point of that moment only on the replica server, or we can say subscriber. It can be used when data is changed frequently, when it can not critically, then critical to have a data replicated data older than master databases, no longer value of change made within the short period of time, then we can use this replication. Means if the data is not frequently updated on server side, primary side, then we can use this one. Okay, no change track and perform for the snapshot application. So we cannot track any changes. Okay, like example, we can say that the snapshot replication can use when exchange rate and the price rate of updating once per day. Means the change made was single change in a day, we can uh, use that replication. Okay, so a snapshot replication use, or we can say carrying two agents, like a snapshot agent and distribution agent. So let's see the schema, or we can say the design, how a snapshot agent implemented. So here the replication agent, so we have application, publisher system, we agent will work, distribution agent will work, and then it will write a data from publisher to subscriber. So you can understand this one, what is a snapshot replication. So now we can see that on our demo side also, but let's see the advantage and disadvantage of replication agent, sorry, snapshot agent. So advantage is simply setup, it require low maintenance, data table need to be need have a primary key. Okay, and disadvantage is modification made of subscriber are usually lost all the new snapshot delivered. Okay, and the snapshot agent generate high impact when it run, when you implement that, it will generate high impact on a database server. Okay, so this is about a snapshot agent. So let's start our SQL server here, and we can check that a snapshot agent. Okay, oh sorry, we can implement a step-by-step replication agent, or yeah, we can complete this today. So we can enter this is replication portion. See, local publication, local subscriber. So how can we create it? We don't need a primary key on any databases. Okay, we can create the simply. So we are going to see the step-by-step implementation of law. We can say that a snapshot replication. Okay, so let's start here. So first we have to configure distribution. Okay, so either step to implement. Okay, so this is will act as a distribution, this database server. So we are locally creating the distribution. We can add different server also here. Now this is a location where a snapshot folder that copied as a snapshot files here. We can modify this file. Okay, and now a distribution database name. So you can use same as a distribution agent. Okay, or we can say distribution underscore demo, and it is a distribution account publisher name and the subscribe distribution database name. Next hit, we can going to configure, not going to generate. Okay, just configure here. Next, so these are the settings brief about that. We configuration of this reporting sorry, distribution, and now here finishing, this is executing here. So see, it is done. Okay, so interview questions come here. We have created distribution agent. So see here, one database created in the system databases. So this is a 5 system databases, we can say that. Okay, so if you anyone ask you have how many system databases, you can say 4 only, but if replication is configured, then we can say 5. So distribution agent. Okay, so distribution database is here. Okay, now going to configure new publisher. Okay, you can configure Oracle also. Next, so for this database we can select here. So just going for a snapshot, we can read through a snapshot here. Okay, now table, we can going to move that single table, we can say that no procedure, just we have written a procedure. So let us check this one. So couple of tables, say select all tables, leave it all tables. Okay, you can check article properties here, and you can customize or take a filter here. You can apply the filter here. Okay, select, and then you can check that one, but we are not going to here. So just reference required here, the description. Okay, and this is the publication. So if you are going to add a filter here, so you can add filter. If not, then I can just hit next. Just create, you can schedule as an agent also, but no, just create a snapshot here, a snapshot setting here. So security, you can say that SQL Server agent. Okay, because it will work under the SQL Server agent. Okay, we are not going to define any different user account and all. Next hit, and now it asking for publication. So you can say that pub underscore demo underscore pub, demo underscore sorry pub. So these are the settings brief here, the following option you are setting here. Okay, table name, procedure and view, and the publication name. Sorry, so see, 6 article is moving here. Okay, now it's done. Now you can configure from here subscription also. Okay, and now you can connect publisher server, this one. Okay, run on this server, and where is subscriber, so you can, and you need to add here subscriber server. Okay, so just select here where you are going to implement this, connect here. Okay, data's name, yeah, same, and it is asking for, so you can use under SQL Server agent only. Okay, see, these are the options here for running that agent and all. So local system is good. Next, run immediate distribution local. Okay, not memory optimize. Okay, creating the settings here. Okay, publisher names, publication name, publisher name. Okay, subscription name, subscriber name. Yes, it is creating, and you can check that one. Now it's done. Now we can go here, sorry, not, let's connect the server, the demo server where we have created. See, I think we have not moved replication log shipping, I think so. It's a road only and standby, it is saying. Procedure. Okay, so we can do one thing here, we can just drop that subscription here. Wait, no. Okay, so just need to drop this database, or we can say, yeah, drop this database, or we can just make it read only, multi-user, not a standby. Multi-user state, we can change that to normal standby. Okay, read only true, no, read only for, no, read only false, check, no, read only for, just we can command. सो इसको हमने रिकवरी में कर दिया यहाँ पे कमांड से, ठीक है, और हम यहाँ से रिफ्रेश एक बार कर लें। क्या इसको मॉनिटर लॉन्च यहाँ से कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, ये मॉनिटर है, और अन हिस्ट्री कुछ नहीं दिखा रहा है इसका, ऑल सब्सक्राइबर, ओके, एजेंट्स, सो एजेंट नॉट स्टार्टेड, स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं यहाँ से, व्यू प्रॉपर्टीज, ओके, सो दिस अकाउंट हियर, नाउ रिफ्रेश, warnings, okay, so basically it is saying that it's good, but I think we have to just check or re-add here subscription, okay, or from here we can also do, publisher is find SQL publisher. This is publisher. Okay, connect. Next. Okay, pull. Okay, you are just pulling here, not push here. This is subscriber demo server. Credentials for that we can run under this. Okay, next. Immediate, no optimization, and get. No, get an error. Okay, only one means already configured. Okay, on the same database. Okay, so I'm just checking that one. How can you monitor? You can monitor from here. Agents not starting, something wrong for the agent. So to just check that permissions and all. Let's see here the agents and these agents. See here, all these here running. Distributor cleanup, publisher, check subscription, check db subplan. Okay, it is a different one. View, this is getting well. See, we can monitor from here also what happening. Not connecting. Okay, this is different because we have to change this one because we have a different host name now. See here, we have a db connector, sorry, db trainer is taking that SQL server. This user is not able, so authentication error. Okay, just we have to create with window account. So we have to just work here. This is a part of troubleshooting service. Okay, and now services here. So first this service properties is taking local built-in account. So we have to just configure here with CLS. Checking, not find, just local server, advanced, find, and go to the bottom. So this is the name. See, now I think it will connect. Just pass here the password. Apply. Yes. It will take time. Oh, incorrect parameter. Let's see. So system is misbehaving because it is taking older account and all. Okay, because we don't have that user here. See the domain name, so the system name. So see, we have a system name is db trainer and is detecting that older one. Okay, so that we need to troubleshooting means that we have to just this is a misbehaving of the SQL server, or we can say operating system, that is detecting old one. Okay, that's why the job is getting failed. Okay, so I will change the settings and we will come with the new session for transfer replication. Okay, and I will show you that this error will not come that time. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please do not forget to share, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, and this is totally wrong. It is totally misbehaving with the system and all. Okay, so wrong. See, okay, it is picking different username. Okay, so this is window group error and all. So I will rectify that one. We can remove from registry and all, and then we can check in transaction replication. So a snapshot replication just a snap of existing databases. We do not need a primary key and all. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned with a new session.